So hi everyone, Dr. Gilmore here, and I wanted to share a little story with you. I frequently receive messages from people, literally from around the world, that ask me questions. The messages are generally in the format of, "I have this problem. Can you tell me what to do?" And while I can't give people medical advice over the internet like this, what I do is I try to point them in the right direction without being overly specific about treatment and things like that. I think there's nothing inappropriate or dangerous about directing someone to the right medical care. And so I wanted to share one of these experiences with you because this is very typical of what I receive, and I do receive these frequently. And I've been thinking that you all might like to share in one of these stories. So I'm going to start with an email, and I've removed the identity of the person, but basically it says, "Hi, Dr. Gilmore. My name is," and this is a young lady, and her nickname will be Rose. Let's just say it's Rose. And she said, "I have a question. I've been having bumps between my legs and armpits. Squeeze it, pus comes out. There's a way. Is there a way I can get it removed where it won't come out anymore, or how does this come to my skin?" And so I replied to Rose, and I said, "I think I may know what your problem might be. Tell me what's your age now and when the bumps began showing up. Also, please send me a couple of pictures of the armpit bumps. Let's see what we can figure out." And the reason I asked for pictures of the armpit bumps is I do not want any pictures that are not G-rated coming across my computer from anywhere. And the reply I received was from Rose. She said, "I'm 21 right now, started getting them in high school. Been to the doctor here in Tulsa, but they tell me because I sweat when I would go out." In other words, they were telling her that this is being caused because she sweats when she goes out. And she said further, "I never got it fixed. I just got on 2 days ago, and it hurts so bad and makes me cry at night, and I got up and to pop it, and then lots of pus came out. So I looked up a video how to remove it. I did not see anything, so apparently I saw your video and I emailed you to see if there is there care for it right now. I'm at work and can send the picture later, so to see if there is a cure for it," I think is what she meant to ask. Then she sent me a couple of pictures, and the first picture I'm going to open up here. You can see this is apparently the left axilla or left armpit. And she's done a nice job for us using a rose-colored marker, or I guess that would be kind of a rose. But anyway, she circled a nodule under the left around the spot in the left axilla. But if you look, you can see there are other little spots where this has been a problem before. And then, of course, go to the second picture. This was apparently the right armpit, and you can see the couple of nodules. One's more irritated, it has more redness to it, and then another one that she's had. But you can also see where, if you follow this down further, there are some old nodules, looks like some scarring from previous problems. So you might take a second here and say what you think this might be, what her problem is, and what you would do in the comment section. Thanks everybody for watching.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I have personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly, too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Coco Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.